Welcome. Today we'll show you how to allow everyone to add members in a Telegram group on your PC. Follow these steps to manage your group settings effectively. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to web.telegram.org. Log into your Telegram account to access your groups and settings. Next, open the specific group for which you want to allow everyone to add members. This could be a group you own or manage. Once you're in the group, locate the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Click on these dots to access a drop-down menu of group management options. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Group, and then choose Permissions from the list of options presented. Within the permissions settings, look for the option to Enable Add Members. Toggle the switch to enable this setting, allowing all group members to add new members to the group. By enabling the Add Members permission, you are granting everyone in the group the ability to expand the group by inviting new members. This can foster community growth and engagement within the group. Ensure to save your changes by clicking on the appropriate button or icon to confirm the updated group permissions. Experiment with different group settings to create a welcoming and inclusive environment for all members to participate and contribute. Thank you for following along. We hope this tutorial has been informative in guiding you on how to adjust group permissions in Telegram on your PC. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your group management skills.